Welcome to our channel. It's cool.
What's up guys, everything in one back here with another video. So, this is the brand new Redmi S2, which is in another budget-oriented smartphone by the company Xiaomi. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, first you will get the smartphone itself. From the first impressions, luckily the smartphone is feeling lightweight and compact, but it looks a lot like the recently announced Mi 6X. This is a silver color variant that comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The box also comes with a back case and some documentations, however the case doesn't seems to be a hard case, it is just a flexible silicone case. The charger provided in the box doesn't seem like a fast charger, since it is a 5 volts and 2 ampere charger. Unfortunately, the smartphone comes with a micro USB cable in 2018, disappointing. Anyways, that's all for a quick unboxing, let's move towards the smartphone itself. The Redmi S2 is a low-end mid-range smartphone, which is generally made for selfie lovers. However, the Redmi S2 features a 5.99-inch 720p display. That resolution is really the phone's weakest point. The phone looks very much similar to the Mi 6X, but it features a different-looking two-string U-shaped antenna design. Also, the Redmi S2 packs a metal back, on which a fingerprint sensor is mounted. The build quality of the smartphone is really strong and solid, thanks to a metal body. The back feels good to touch, but after using this device for a while, I found that the back feels like made of plastic. This is the biggest difference in appearance between Redmi S2 and Mi 6X. The phone comes with dual speakers at the bottom, along with a micro USB port. At the top, there is an infrared sensor along with a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Redmi S2 is packed by a 3080 mAh of battery, and it runs on Android 8.1 Oreo, supported by MIUI 9. The device has no NFC, disappointing. Also, the interface of the phone is quite snappy and fluid. The Redmi S2 is powered by the Snapdragon 625, which is not the best processor in budget range, and is quite annoying to see on a specifications sheet at this point. However, it is a completely capable processor, and one that does its job well, particularly in a budget device. The benchmark scores are quite disappointing, but anyways, it is available in two memory configurations of 3 plus 32GB and 4 plus 64GB. For camera, the S2 features a dual rear camera setup, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, with a f/2.2 aperture, PDAF, LED flash, facial recognition, AI portrait mode, and HDR. Here are some samples taken from the Redmi S2. The rear camera of the Redmi S2 also supports electronic image stabilization, for more stable video recording. So overall, for camera department, the phone does well. It also comes with a dedicated SIM slots. It means that you can use your dual SIMs, along with a micro SD card inside this smartphone, at the same time. However, the specification sheet of the device is not mind-blowing, but it does offer a lot at $160 price point. Do let us know your opinion about this smartphone in comments below. Also, buying link of this smartphone is provided inside description, don't forget to check it. That's all guys, hope you like the video, make sure to get subscribed to our channel for future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.
Thanks for watching us on It's Cool. For more updates don't forget to subscribe us.